This papaya tree is badly damaged, yet it can still bear large and many fruits. Was it broken by strong winds, or hit by an animal? In fact, this was done by humans. Today, I'm going to share with you the method of dwarfing papaya trees. Everyone knows that papaya trees usually grow very tall. The longer they grow, the higher the fruits are, making harvesting more difficult. When the trunk reaches a diameter of about 6 centimeters, you can start bending the tree using artificial methods. On the still green part of the trunk, about 10 centimeters from the top, make a cut downward, until it's around 30 centimeters above the ground, then stop. The length of the cut depends on the diameter and height of the papaya tree. Usually, 4 cuts are made, but sometimes only 2. If only 2 cuts are made, they must go through the trunk and be split down in a cross shape. After cutting, press the trunk down with force to bend it. Don't worry, it won't die. Papaya trees are very resilient. Use this method to treat the remaining papaya trees. The dwarfing technique brings many benefits. In natural conditions, papaya trees are tall, fruits grow high up, wind resistance is weak, and it's difficult to plant them densely. By dwarfing, the trunk becomes thicker and stronger, and the base swells like a tobacco pipe, which increases wind resistance, especially effective in storm-prone areas. At the same time, this method promotes root development, enhancing water and nutrient absorption. More stored nutrients help the tree bloom 7 to 10 days earlier, fruit earlier and more securely. On average, each tree can produce 5 to 10 more fruits. Third, dwarfing helps the orchard become more ventilated and well lit, making it easier to control stem borers and diseases. It also allows easy removal of weak or diseased trees, effectively reducing pests and diseases. Fourth, after the tree is dwarfed, the fruiting position becomes lower, making it easier to collect flowers, harvest fruits, and perform other farm operations. At the same time, proper planting density can increase total yield. Fifth, after dwarfing, the orchard can be rejuvenated after 2 years. This helps extend the papaya harvesting period, and increases economic benefits. After bending the tree, set a stake beside it, and tie it firmly with rope. One month later, in front of you are all the dwarf papaya trees, and not a single one died from this process. The best time for dwarfing is in spring and summer. From April to June, dwarfing in spring has the advantage that the tree contains more nutrients. The humidity and temperature of the environment are also suitable, which greatly increases the survival rate. Moreover, after successfully dwarfing in spring, the appropriate temperature helps form callus tissue and increases survival. In summer, when sap flow is the strongest, the wounds heal faster. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. See you in the next video.